Hello everyone. This project uses DQN, Deep Q neural network to train a self-driving car to navigate only on the roads and not avoid any other obstacles or off-road areas. So here we use Kiwi for the UI, and in this file we are defining the environment and the car UI. So here the size of the car is defined, and here the vehicle that we are using is a fire engine. So you can use whichever image that you want to. So for example, my vehicle looks like this, and the in front of the vehicle, there are three sensors: the middle sensor, right, and the left sensor. The middle and the left middle sensor, it detects the roads, and the red sensors, which is left and right, this detects the road edges and the obstacles. And we are also defining our game environment. This is where the car will be driving. So for example, if you can see, this is the map that I'm using. So this is the map that I'm using. So this is my driving area for the car. And moving on to the AI, so this is where our neural network is defined. For example, this is where our neural network is defined. So it's a three-layered feed-forward neural network. It uses a relu activation function, which predicts the cue values for possible actions, which is like left, straight, or forward. And experience replay, it stores the past experiences of the vehicle, and it improves the training by using these past experiences. And deep Q network, this uses a softmax exploration, and updates the Q values using the Bellman equation. And map.py, this is where this is the main script where we are running the self-driving car simulation. So this uses reinforcement learning. So for example, this is the main part where it is being rewarded. So when it is moving in on the road, it's given a positive reward, whereas when it moves on the edges or away from the goal, we give it a negative reward. So when it is moving in off roads, we are giving a big negative reward, and when it is moving away from the goal, we are giving a smaller negative reward. So by this, the car learns which is the road and where it has to move to accumulate more positive rewards than the negative rewards. And here we can see I am defining three targets where the car has to travel to. So these are the coordinates of my first goal. This is my coordinates for the second target, and this is the target for my third. This is a coordinates for my third target. So, for example, if you can see this area, um, so I've just taken a screenshot where my car is moving. So these are the three sensors that I was talking about. So the ball in between detects the roads, whereas the left and the right sensors detects the obstacles and uh, other off-road areas. So this is my first target where the car has to travel to. Here it is fire engine. So fire engine has to travel to my pond, and then the second target and the third target are these two fire accident places. It has to move from my pond to all these two places. So this is my target coordinates that it has to move. And let's see how the UI looks once I run it. So this is a Python code that I'm running, map.py, and here you can see my engine. It moves, and these values, if you can see, for example, one indicates that it is in sand area, and this is my target, the first target that it has to move to, which is 190 and 354. This floating points denotes how far is my vehicle from the target, my first target. And this indicate this the second two values indicates my current position of the car. And yeah, so for example, yeah, here you can see, now it is just learning. So if we can give some time, it will actually learn, and then it will pass through the roads alone. So whenever it moves towards the road, it moves a little fast because it is giving more, getting more positive rewards. Whereas when it moves towards the off roads, so it will vibrate a lot and it will move a little slowly. You can see the fire engine has learned how to move towards the road comparatively than before. It has now learned. So whenever it passes through the road, it moves little fast, and whenever it passes through any other obstacle, it moves slowly. So yeah, thank you.